Hi, John Wanoa here, Auckland, New Zealand. It's Thursday today, 23rd of May 2013. I'm just videoing this 61 Cook Street today, and the area where we'll be coming in to see Doug Rickard-Bell and this property that we have an interest in. It goes right around there to Nelson Street going down the bottom there, and South Street along here, and it goes along down that end, Sky Tower in the background there, with Nelson Street running along there, and Victoria Street on the other side. Just thought I'd take a couple of shots today, just to let you see. Hi, we're just going to set up next week for the warrant, my Crown being Hill dead charge warrant. So we'll just video around the other side and this side. So that's the main entrance coming from Sale Street in. So we'll go around the other side and just survey the area to see who's here. I think this is the boundary line here.